Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing keywords that match intent. This is the foundation. Use YouTube search and autocomplete to compile 5-10 candidate phrases, then pick one primary keyword and 2 to 3 supporting phrases. Once done, craft a short 1-2 sentence hook that naturally uses the primary keyword within the first 10 seconds so YouTube understands topic relevance. Make sure to note variations and synonyms for later. This step starts ranking signals immediately, so do it before you edit visuals or write the full description. Now you implement metadata and asset changes that influence search and click-through rate. Put the primary keyword near the start of the title and repeat it within the first 1 or 2 lines of the description so algorithms and viewers see clear relevance. Next, add 5-12 tags combining exact matches, phrase matches, and broader topics. Include one competitor tag to capture related searches. Also create a high-contrast custom thumbnail optimized for small screens. And make sure your opening visual matches the thumbnail promise to reduce. Finally, publish strategically and monitor performance metrics that matter. CTR, watch time, and average view duration. Schedule release during peak hours for your audience and pin a keyword-rich comment with a clear call to action to boost engagement. If early stats are weak after 48-72 hours, troubleshoot by a /B testing title and thumbnail, tightening the first 15 seconds to retain viewers, or updating description and tags with stronger variations. Keep iterating. Small changes can flip recommendations and drive steady growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.